to the Flying Tigers.
Ready ka na, salongin ninyo at pwede na ninyo iinulit. Watch out for this flying volleyball. Take one home with you.
And now let's bring in the Creamline Pool Station. And out of Laguna, a PBL MVP and a four-time PBL Best Outside Striker from Anderson University,
Team Captain, Elijah Valdez, Silver Team.
Kahit po natalo kami, lalo na nanalo kami, nandiyan kayo malagi. And kami, gumigising kami sa umaga dahil gusto namin magbigay ng inspiration sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. And happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay!
First, I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy na nakuha namin this championship.
Parang siya.
Sabi ko nga, hindi namin alam kung paano kami nakarating dito. Sabi na po sila. Pero nandito kami and we managed to still get the championship. And I'm just so happy.
Ay na!
Best outside striker is Gemma!
in her career, she has won the Best Outside Spiker Award. Gananza, one of the OG members of the Green Line Pool Smashers, instrumental to the dynasty of Green Line, scoring 20 points today. And now, it is time to award your finals MVP! And your All-Filipino Conference Finals MVP is... Jaya! Let's hear it from the MVP!
Gusto ko pala po magpasalamat ulit sa lahat na nanood dito sa championship na malaging ano ba? Congratulations syempre sa Nabisco! Dahil... Yeah. Ha? Congratulations sa Nabisco, Sir Jojo, Sir Alan. Yes! Okay, ayan. And, okay, maraming salamat sa mga teammates ko, coaches. Naglalaro tayo para sa sarili natin, para sa isa't isa. And lahat tayo pinaghuhugutan sa araw-araw, bumabangon tayo sa araw-araw kasi love natin yung volleyball, kaya huwag natin kakalimutan na yun, I love you guys. Ayun po, ayun, this is our Jonathan po. Hello po, maraming salamat.